So empathy is very powerful. And in Shantideva's discourse, in the Bodhisattva, Chaiyavatara, it says clearly, to begin our empathy, to repay the kindness of others to us, we start first by visualizing ourselves as our mother and the difficulties she had to endure with the 9 months in her stomach, that we gave her so much pain, discomfort, stretching her body. Then when she gave birth, the incredible amount of agony, and some even die in childbirth. Some become anemic or sick after giving children, yet they still love their children, yet their concern is still their children. And to start with that, and to have gratitude towards one's mother, if it applies. And then to extend that to one's father, extend that to one's uncle, aunt, and friends, and everybody around you, till we can imagine ourselves in their position and how directly and indirectly kind they have been to us. And that this kindness doesn't stop at just feeling empathy or having tears roll down our eyes, but it continues with, well, now I need to transform myself to repay their kindness. How is it that you can repay their kindness? By transforming yourself. Simple. When you don't harm anyone anymore, or your harm is less, at least in the beginning your harm is not so overt and gross, gross. It's more on a subtle level, which will take more time, that you've improved. So for all the things that other people have given you and helped you with and loved you and had hopes in you, you are returning their kindness by becoming a kinder person. That is a goal beyond Dharma and religion. That is a goal of a human being who has the capacity to be able to imagine and therefore develop empathy and care.